Hey guys, welcome to the channel Anthony On Demand. I just wanted to do a little video on where to make your thumbnails for YouTube. I discovered this by just Googling and trying out different ones. This one is actually completely free. You can obviously upgrade to the more higher end to get more stuff, but I didn't want to pay the $3.99 a month or whatever it is. But anyways, you guys, just go to photojet.com or type that into Google and then bring you to this website. So when you come to this page, you're simply going to just go down to where it says social media header, if I can talk. And then it'll actually have for YouTube channel art too if you wanted to do that. But click on the YouTube thumbnail. It actually gives you the right size. You can upload a photo. They have sample photos right here, so I'm just going to use one of those instead of uploading one that I have, but I'll do a cat. Simply just make it the size of the whole entire white screen. Kind of want it to fit a little bit. It's not going to be out of that. Anyways, that's cool. Okay, it's good enough. Anyways, and then you actually have some templates. The ones with the crowns, those are the ones that you have to pay for. It's just a free little trial that I think is really great for getting started and figuring out what maybe you want to do. One of my favorite fonts is actually this one right here. Just simply double click it and then drag it to make it bigger. Around, and then also if you did want to delete it, just hit your delete button after you've clicked on it. Make it big, double click it to edit the text. Sorry. Say cat is cute, although I'm not a major cat person, but that's alright. Cute. Shows you the different text and property effect, but I'm gonna making it bigger by hitting the A+, and there's an A- to make it smaller. You could do bold, slant, underline, then you can edit the color. So say we want to do black, and then you can do the layers, lower it. It can go up, above, different stuff. Duplicate it. Throw it in the trash can, and then you can do an outline of, say, that. And if you want to make it wider, thinner, you can have a little glow action, and what people do for their thumbnails to like kind of stand out. Get a little blur effect, and then move it around. And then say you want to do some clip art. Do like a YouTube or Twitter, and then just simply delete that if you don't want it. You know what, guys, this is like pretty much the basics of it. I mean, it does have all these other ones where you can put some flowers in, but I didn't want to make this video too long. I just wanted to give you the gist of, a quick, easy place to go to make your thumbnail or your channel art. I hope you guys liked this video.